station. He rolled up his sleeves and rosined up his pole, fiddle upside down, orange blossom special. 'Cause if you wanna make a living, you gotta put on a good show. When he smelled the smoke and the cinders, he slicked back his hair and opened up his case. Played Cherokee fiddle, just played for the whiskey, 'cause good whiskey never let him lose his place. He was always there, playing for the miners. Devil's Dream was a song they understood.